hold on. And then I'll just go over here. Okay, good morning, guys. In yet another session on SAP UI5, and this is our 15th day of the training. And I would request you to please maintain the team and please do not engage in any kind of talking. It is a request, and let's go ahead from the point where we left. So you see, here we are right now. Let me just show it to you. We are working on our current project, and also please mute yourself, use earphone or anything. Okay, so you see that. Let's once again revise the folder structure. I've been posting the folders every day almost, and one time, all the folders were sent to you, but still there are some people who have not downloaded it. They don't even know that the folder exists. So please make a note of it, keep inside your web IDE. And of course, you can just go and develop your own apps or own practice sessions. You can just go and do that. But please do have the folder structure that I'm providing, because it's on a series. So get hold of it. And you see, this is the thing that we did yesterday, where one very important stuff that we had not done yet. And for now, you see, this is the data that is there, and we have a controller. And now you see we have got two views rather than one views, and also we have got over here, I'm going to say two controllers over here and two views over here. And one is the app view controller that is holding the view 1 and view 2 object in it. And also when we go and play the thing, this is what we see. Before we ended the whole thing, I asked people to use the formatter function to convert the INR into the symbol form, but some of the people have not done it. Also, one more thing was given to you, one more exercise, that you should be changing the available. If the thing is available, the status should go green. Otherwise, the status should go red. So I'm going to say the state should go red. So you see, this is already applied on our project. And if you go to the code of it, you see we have used the binding called as the expression binding to achieve that thing. And if I could show it to you, we are over here, and you see it was a very simple thing that we are binding on the state. So here we are comparing two things. One is our tools model status. This is the thing that is fetching us the status, whether things are available or not. If it finds it's available, so it goes for the available, and it gives a success then. Otherwise, it gives an error. So this is how, in one shot, we have achieved it. And then there was another functionality that I wanted to include in it before we go to the navigation view. And that functionality is called as the sorting functionality. So what we actually intend to do over here is, let's go to the app, and there should be something like a sort button over here. And why is the sort button there? Did I put it? I can't even see the button. Where do I see the sort button? Where is the sort button on it?
So control F.
Yeah, I can do that, but which app is this? Let me just play it once again. there's something else I was seeing. So you see, this is how the status of our app is. And also one more thing, that this particular function is very important because we're going to use it where we applied the navigation back and forth, and it was giving us the result. Uh, Also, no, what I said is that we need to apply a sorting. So what I'm actually expecting over here is that a button should come over here. On the press of the button, what I'm expecting is I want to sort things on the basis of the alphabetical order. Okay. So see, it is H and M and S, T. So when I do a sorting, then it will place everything in a alphabetical order. So, I'll get the list from there. But the same button will also, when I press it the second time, it would sort it in a descending order. The same button can function for both functionalities. So we want to see, so you have understood the need. On the button, one press on the button will give you a thing in the ascending order. The other press on the button will give you things in the descending order. So that is the need, and let's go and uh, uh, check how we can achieve that thing. So for that, absolutely, we need a button over here. So we're going to put the button over here. So we'll just call PUTTUN button, and we will call that as text equals sort. So you see the button is going to sort the things for us, but the button doesn't have anything. It's a function that actually works on it. And for a button, we have got a press function and we say on sort. So you see, and then I can go to the controller of view one to get our things done. So if you come to the controller of the view one, you see there is a functional written over here. So we'll find some way to, some place to write a function for it also. And generally I keep the function on the top. So I go bottom up, and then this is a syntax for the function, and comma and splitting. So first I create the structure and then I start to work on it. So so let's go ahead and try to achieve the functionality. We need to even save it. And also at the same time, since we have added something, we can just go and check. Uh, a button has already come over here that is called as sort. And now, hello.
Your mic is on. No, I have mute there. It is already.
Okay, so what we can do is, for that, we need to go to SDK and find something called as a sorter. So that's the best help for us. And anything you want to find, it's there in the SDK. Go to API reference and type sort model, sorter. You see, you got this thing SAP model sorter. So here we're going to use this particular stuff to sort results. And now, so we're going to grab this particular thing later on. So there's the one that we're going to use, and it's you can just instead of this place it says be descending or ascending. So it will fetch the value as ascending or descending on the basis of true or false. And if you come over here, it says be descending is a Boolean. That means it gives me a true or a false. So somewhere be descending should give me a true or a false, all right? And the S path on which you're going to search on where you want to, on what path are you going to do the sorting. So let me just also grab this piece of code in case. Let's go over there, and right now I'm not going to use it. But just keep it over there for now. Okay, let me just also put the thing over there. So what we actually intend to do is do a sorting on the basis of name. So let me just say var for sorter. For sorter equals, now this thing, we can take, this is the sorter. Control C over here and pasted that thing over there. And here we're going to put false. And because first I'll go this way and later on I'll change the things in the way that we intend it to be. Okay, so this is what the sorter is. And this is, we have applied the sorter, and the function that you see over here is very much like the same. And yep. Also, we need to just get something like an if statement over here. And in that if statement, what we will say is this dot, this be descending, I will take this dot be descending equals undefined. So of course, it is undefined, any variable. And I will definitely talk about what this particular thing is, why have I used this thing, and how helpful it could be in your future projects by just, declaring a variable like using this, and this as actually the controller that you're referring to. Okay, then if I say something like this, so if my be descending, this dot be descending, let me just copy it rather than writing it. And that be equal to assign it, not do anything, don't do anything, false. So if false. So for now it's false. So if it is undefined, we'll go and check for the false. So then we can simply pass this thing over there as well. And over here as well. So sorry, over here as well. But this thing becomes a false. Now I'll just save it. Okay. So it's very no. Why will I put a semicolon over there? I'm just assigning it to a false.
False.
Okay, semicolon. I thought you were talking about putting colon instead of equals. Okay. Yeah. So guys, just a moment, please, will you? Yeah, we will do everything. We will do everything. Just for a moment. I need to also stop this thing. Wait, where is the thing? How to stop it? Pause the recording. No problem. I'm not going to minimize it also. I'll just back in 2 minutes. Please bear. Right? It's nature's call. Nature's call. Oh, we don't have to do that.
Everyone.